You're about to see a demo of the world's fastest funnel builder. Every once in a while, I find software programs that are so incredible that I have to share them with others. In a minute, I'll show you a complete Mintbird funnel building demo. You don't want to miss it. But first, let me tell you who I am. My name is Gary Frazier. In case you don't know me, I'm the founder of the Skillacious Learning Center. I have many free and paid online courses and hope to have 200 courses online soon. Course categories include MS Office, business software, internet marketing, personal development, health and wellness, and mindset. I found out about Mintbird, but I wasn't too interested at first. Then I found out that the program founders are Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher. These guys don't produce anything unless it is absolutely 100%, top-notch and better than anything else on the market. After several hours of studying Mintbird, I can tell you that Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher did not disappoint. Mintbird is the most innovative cart ever created. Its speed and ease is unlike anything you have ever seen before, along with its beautiful templates and designs. Mintbird was built on an enterprise server that allows it to handle 5,000 transactions at once. With Mintbird you'll be able to create your funnels in minutes due to the fact everything is library-based. You build out your products, upsells and downsells ahead of time and then pull them instantly. Everybody is going to be able to use Mintbird. Mintbird was created to specifically work with the Everlesson platform and our other flagship software. And it is capable of integrating with more than 60 other platforms. You'll also love the mobile app. You can build a funnel on the go anywhere you are. To learn more, watch this quick demo coming up next. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos about business software reviews. Click the link below in the description to get 3 free gifts from Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher.